Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. Everyone knows our most important auspicious festival Durga Puja is soon going to knock our doors. So from today till the next 5 videos, I'm coming up with a series where I'll show you different types of makeup looks for the festival. And today is the first day of the makeup series where I'll show you Maha Sashthi Makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm starting by moisturizing my skin, and for that I'm using Biotic Morning Nectar Flawless Skin Moisturizer and I'm applying all over my face. Now for primer, I'm using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer and I'm applying all over my face. Then for foundation, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Liquid Foundation Tube in shade Natural Beige and I'm applying all over my face. Now using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in shade Medium and applying under my eye area, bridge of my nose, on forehead, on chin and around my lips. Then using a beauty blender, I am again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in shade Porcelain and applying all over my face. Now for brows, I am using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. So first, using the spoolie, I am brushing my brow hair properly. Then I am lining my brow following its natural shape. Then I am filling all the gaps into my brows. Then again I am brushing my brow hair thoroughly to spread the color evenly. Then using a small flat concealer brush, I am cleaning my brow edges. And I am also applying concealer on my eyelid. Then blending it too. Now setting it using some powder. Now to contour my face, I am using Savannah Bronzer Deep Dark and applying on my cheekbone, on my jawline, on my hairline, and on my nose. I am blending this all properly so that it doesn't look heavy, but at the same time I get the face dimension. Then for blush, I am using this color from Makeup Revolution Contour and Blush Palette and applying on my cheeks, and on my nose. Now for eyeshadow, I am using Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow Palette 6. I am picking up this color and applying all over my eyelid. As well, I am blending this too. Then to highlight my brow bone, I am using this color from Savannah Bronzer. Now I am taking this color from the palette and applying all over my crease line and blending it properly. Then I am taking this color and applying on my crease area, and I am also dragging it outside. Then using my fingertip, I am taking this shimmer color from LA Colors eyeshadow palette, Bare It All, and applying all over my eyelid. Again I am taking this color and applying on my lower lash line. Then using a pencil brush, I am applying this color to intensify my lower lash line. Now using this color, I am highlighting my inner corner. Then I am applying a heavy coat of mascara. To make my eye bright, I am applying a nude color on my waterline. Off camera, I added false lashes. Now I am applying eyeliner as thin as possible. Then to highlight my face, I am using this color from Savannah bronzer and applying on my cheek, on chin, on forehead, on nose tip, on bridge of my nose, and on my cupid bow. Now for lips, I am taking a brown lip liner and lining my lips. Then applying Wet n Wild Mega Lush lip color Pink Sugar. Then using my lipstick brush, I am blending my lips edges. Then I am applying my liquid sindoor. And a red bindi. Now to set this all, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray Seal the Deal. So here is the final look, a soft glam festive look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.